Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 30. Let's study and learn Chinese together. And in this lesson, we will learn new vocabularies. But before we start, let's review first what we learned in last lesson. We have 吃喝可饿大小上下. So if you guys still couldn't get it, please watch lesson 29 video again. So let's begin this lesson, guys. In this lesson, we have three vocabularies. We have how her, nan her, nan. So let's read together, guys. How her, nan her, nan. So how her is when you drink something and when you taste it, you think it's delicious. But on the contrary, nan her is when you drink something and it doesn't taste that great. And nan here is difficult. So it is actually the same nan with nan her. So try to remember the Chinese characters, guys. Today's slide we have three more vocabularies to learn. So let's read together. 好吃,好吃,好吃,好吃. The next one is 难吃,难吃,难吃,难吃. And the last one is 容易,容易,容易,容易. So 好吃 is the expression that you use when you eat something and it tastes delicious. But on the contrary, 难吃 it is when you eat something and it doesn't taste that well. And 容易 is easy. In the next slide, we have two more vocabularies to learn. We have 慢,慢, 快,快. Let's read together, guys. 慢,慢, 快,快. So the meaning of 慢 is slow, while 快 here is fast. So actually that's all for today's lesson. I will see you guys on our next lesson. Don't forget to review the vocab that we learned today.